Hubby had a taste for some catfish, so I decided today was the day. Gotta give Babe what he wants. So I'm using some mustard, some any and everything, our all-purpose seasoning, and also you can't forget whatever you want tasty. That is our salt-free meat seasoning. So now I'll just be mixing it up, making sure the fish is evenly coated, just like that. Now on to some homemade tartar sauce. I'll just be using a little bit of mayo, some sweet relish, some freshly squeezed lemon juice, and also some veggie seasoning. So now I'm mixing it up a little, and I almost forgot to add a little bit of sugar. You can't have tartar sauce without a little bit of sugar. So I dropped that fish in a little bit of fish fry, and then I dropped it in some hot oil. And I cooked that fish until it looked something like this. And here you have it, homemade fried catfish, tartar sauce. He also wanted some fried green tomatoes and some fries on the side.